fold your paper in half, fold it again, fold this again, at the top of your paper write texture, and then in the sections right here, you have 2, 4, 6, 8 sections. In this section, write smooth. And now you're going to do the texture of something smooth. You could draw a glass. It has a smooth surface. Use the side of your pencil, shade it in a little bit. It's nice and soft. And next to it, you draw something that you think is smooth. You come up with your own object. And we're going to go on to the next one. You can finish all those up later. Rough. And then what you're going to do is draw something that is rough. And when you do rough, it's going to have lots of dots. Like sandpaper. You can have a tar on the road. You touch that, that's rough. Something with a lot of dots. It shows a rough texture. Now go down to the next section, and something that is hard is another texture. What you're going to do is draw some bricks. And just do a little section here, because here's your line. You need to draw something else that's hard right next to it. So here, just do alternating. And they don't need to be all the same size unless you really want them to be. Just do an alternating pattern. And then do a little shading in here so that you get some contrast. So other things that might be hard would be a tabletop. Anything that you touch that's hard, draw a picture of it in this little section. Okay, go over here and write soft. Soft would be like a cloud or some cotton. And when it's puffy like this, again, create contrast. You don't have to have all the gray colors the same, but just so this is a nice soft surface. And you could draw a pillow, you could draw your face, anything that you touch that's soft. And then move down here, put woven. And when this is a little difficult, but you can do it. Okay, what you're going to do is draw like this. And here, go through, another line here. Now put that underneath. This one is going to be underneath. Like your own version, you can be creative and change this a little bit, just so you get that alternating pattern. Okay, we're going to stop with that. And then create a new woven pattern here where you have this over-under business going on. Now the next one is bumpy. Or you could put lumpy. And also do a little shading so you get contrast. You don't leave just white lines next to white lines. Again, your own way of shading here. If you really want to get technical, then way down here, that's a little darker. This is darker when it goes lower down. Like this is hiding. This is on top of that, and then this is behind it. So you get that kind of contrast. And here I would have to do it here. And there, and this one here. Okay, and now let's finish up the last down here. Write jagged. Or irregular. And that one just zigzag lines. Or your own version of zigzag. You can be tall, short. Again, do a little shading. And then the last one is rigid. I will just do one more. So you can add anything else you want onto that. And remember, don't forget to add your own version of what's going on the side. Some different way of doing it. That still relates to mine, but you put your own creativity in it.